Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and I'm heading down the 3.5 mile gravel road to the Norwood Young America site. And today we are going to be hopefully filling all of the garden beds with soil. Currently, I think 11 of them are filled up. So that means there's 13 more to go, and I'm hoping that happens today. As they get filled, I'm planting them out. So far I have 11 beds planted out. But here's the drive in. I'm gonna turn you around and let you see what I'm coming in through. See, we're in farm country here in Norwood, Young America. There's a pheasant running across the road right there. I don't know if you can see it going into the bushes. One thing I haven't seen in 30 years is pheasants. Where I lived in St. Paul when I was growing up as a kid, there was pheasants everywhere. You'd ride your bike down the street and they'd scare the shit out of you because you would scare them and then they'd fly out of the bushes. And then they built a 35E stretch from Grand Avenue to West 7th Street. And when they took that out, they killed the habitat for all the pheasants. So they basically, progress made the pheasant extinct in St. Paul. But they're all over the place out here, which is pretty cool because they're a really pretty bird, or a pretty bird, whatever you want to call them. And then they taste good too. But anyway, there's where I'm heading. I don't know if you see the grape trellises over there, and you got the kiwi trellis on the front here. I'm gonna have to take a walk up there and see how it's doing. And here we are, we're coming in. I love this place. I wish it was mine. And here we're coming through. Let's see if there's any animals in there yet. I can go shoot with my fake Glock pellet gun. All right, we're here. I will update in a few minutes when I get out in the raised garden bed area. Have an amazing Friday, my friends. Grow food, not lawns.